Hi, I am Hardik Nayak from Engineering Guru 2020 YouTube channel. Welcome you all in video of drawing instrument second part. In this video, you will learn different drawing instruments. This video will be very useful for understanding the concept of drawing instrument and their uses. In this video, we are going to discuss about drawing board, drafting templates, drawing sheet, drawing pencil, eraser, pencil sharpener, drawing pins and paper box. In previous video, we will cover T-square, square, protractor, roll and draw, compass, scale and mini drafter. So first, we are going to discuss drawing board. Drawing board is rectangular in shape, made of wood and 25 mm thick. The surface of the board should be smooth and used to keep the paper. One of the edge of the board is used as the working edge on which the T-square is made to slide. Next would be drafting template, are time-saving device that are used for drawing various shapes and standard symbol. They are especially useful when shapes and symbol must appear on the drawing. Number of time. Templates are usually made of transparent green or clear plastic. They are available in a variety of shapes, include circle, ellipse, hexagon, triangles and arcs. Next would be drawing sheet. By selecting a paper, size of the drawing paper smaller to the drawing board, to hold the paper on the board, to use pin, adhesive, clips or tabs. The standard size of the drawing paper recommended by the Bureau of Indian Standards, that is BIS. Surface area of A0 size is 1 square meter. Successive format of size A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 are available in market. Next would be drawing pencil, basically used to draw. Accuracy depend upon quality use of pencil use. H, 2H, HB mostly used. Then next, eraser. Soft Indian eraser is widely used to erase the pencil drawing. Eraser is used erasing unwanted line. Then pencil sharpener is the tool for sharpening a pencil's writing point by shaving away its worn surface. Pencil sharpener may be operated manually or by electric motor. The next, drawing pins is fixed on the drawing board by means or clip or adhesive tape. Steel pins with brass top are available in the market. So in this figure, you can see this is clip. Then final, that is paper box. It is a fiber molded paper carrying box. The drawing sheet of A1 and A2 size can be carried out folding and creasing. At the end, if you find my video helpful, you can like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.